Okay, welcome back to Accounting 2. And today we're going to solve P9.5. And the thing that I'm highlighting here is the main point that we need to do in this exercise. So first we're going to see that there's many transactions and they're going to use the straight line method for depreciation expense. And here they also mention about they have building and equipment, so pay attention on the term. For the first one is April 1st, purchase land for 2.2 million. This one is so easy. Yeah. So just put on debit side on land and credit side on cash. Since they didn't mention anything on account, so then we assume that they are purchasing by cash. For the May 1st, depreciation, we're going to take the original cost divided by lifespan and then time for depreciation time that we use it. That's equal to 750,000 divided by 10 and time for 4 over 12. So that will be equal to 25,000. And there was two account that I mentioned to you before about depreciation is depreciation expense and accumulated depreciation. The part after that is for determine that we're going to use it for equipment for building. Yes. So on the May 1st, because we are going to dispose of plant assets, that's called equipment too. So you can see that they sold by cash 466,000. So I just put cash on first on the debit side because we're going to gain it from that. Okay. And the second thing is equipment. So the original cost that you know already. Yes, so put it down too. The third one is accumulated depreciation. Okay, so accumulated depreciation, we need to calculate it to see how much is that. Okay. That will be equal to 325,000. And two of the sum of it will bigger than 750, so which means that we gain on the disposal. So that's the reason why I put it here for the 1,000. And how do you get that 325? So you just take 750 times divide by 10 times 4 and plus back for the 25,000 in previous one. I will show the calculation here. Okay. So that will be equal to 325. So going for the next one is June 1st. We're going to sell the land and receive money by cash. So first, just put the cash on first, 1.8 million. And then our land was around exactly is 300,000. So we just put in there, and you can see that's 1.8 million and 300,000 is kind of different, right? So in here, there's no negative number. So we're going to gain on disposal of this plant assets is 1.5 million. So we just put on the account that's gain on disposal of plant assets. Remember this name. I know it's kind of long, but it's really important to let you see. Are we gaining or losing? Okay, July 1st, equipment and cash. This one is not really hard. Just remember which one on debit side and credit side. 2.450. Okay. And for the December 31st, a little bit complicated. We need to use many account. First, we just determine the depreciation expense for 50,000 and accumulated depreciation of equipment is also 50,000. And how do I get that 50,000? Okay, so that 50,000 actually is come from the original price of that equipment is 500,000 and divide by 10. Or you can have like 1 over 10 for easier. Okay, and then last one of this question is accumulated depreciation and equipment. Since this assets like already terminate and there is no residual value and no disposal for this equipment, so we're going to reverse the accumulated depreciation equipment account and equipment too. That's it. So please just take a look on the highlight part, and then we're going to see that how to calculate those number. In here, I also make a note like because it's using from 23rd of December 2010 and until 21st December of 2019. That's how we got divided by 10. Thank you for listening and keep update the new information for your midterm. Thank you. Bye bye.